This is something you guys don't see every day. A Ramcharger 1989. Ram, if you're listening, you guys need to bring this back. This is such a nice vehicle. It's really nicely done. It's all original, other than the tires, of course. And the exhaust, of course. Anyways, got long tube headers on it, there and there. Then we ran a 2 1/4 system all the way back with 2 high flow cats, there and there. Then he brought his own mufflers, 2 DYNOMAX Super Turbos, part number 17734. As you guys can see right there, came out really clean, really nice, right there. And then 2 custom bent tailpipes out the back on each side, and 2 4-inch angle cut by 18-inch tips, there and there, chrome tips out the back. Give it that classic look. And there's the old muffler and everything. It was all rotted out. That's why we changed it all for him. That's why we went with the long tube headers right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. And if you guys don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. So drop by if you're ever in the area. When I tell you guys this thing is clean, not a crack in the dash, nothing. Look at this thing. Absolutely mint. I'd love to find me another one. I'd buy it. Would you? Let me know in the comments. And you know, that's when it used to be couches back in the day. The best. All this new stuff with the firm and all that. I like this better. Classic. Beautiful. Ah, just clean. Sounds good. It's not too crazy loud, just clean sounding. Those super turbo mufflers really help. Here's sound decibels. Right at 102. Perfect. All the way around is clean. Nice. I like it. Ramcharger. That's when it went. The Ram was right there. Look at that. The best is they need to bring this back into the Rams, guys. Tell me if you guys don't agree. They need to bring back the hood envelope. Look at that. Sexy car. Let you guys hear on the inside. Crazy lot, just clean. Nice set of wheels on it too. It's just nicely done.